What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the OnePlus 10 Pro very first CAD renders has been revealed by the OnLeaks. And not only that, this phone looks really different from the OnePlus design philosophy. And if we talk about this phone, then this looks like more of a Galaxy middle child of the Galaxy S21 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Now, if you were wondering about this camera setup on the back, then it's indeed a triple camera setup, but we don't see any kind of a periscope camera on the OnePlus back and not even the Hasselblad branding, which failed immensely. Now, if talking about the design and display of this phone, then the OnePlus 10 Pro will come with a 6.7 inch of an Quad HD Plus Fluid Amulet display, a 5000 mAh battery, and what you will be getting with the storage is a base of 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Not only that, this phone looks really different from the OnePlus, and it is a matte finish on the back of this phone. Now, speaking about the processor, then it will indeed come with the latest Snapdragon processor, which is the Snapdragon 898 processor, which is the next smartphone flagship processor for the next year. And the OnePlus 10 series will be debuting in the April 2022. Not only that, if we talk about the pricing of this phone, then the OnePlus will again increase the pricing of its flagship smartphones, and it will be priced at $1,069 in USA. Now you can indeed convert that pricing into your area, and the design, as we say, it's really unique one from the OnePlus, and it will be running on the Oxygen OS and OS 2.2, which is a mixture of Oxygen OS and the Color OS. And let me know your thoughts. What do you feel about this OnePlus 10 Pro design? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.